Hello guys, so today I thought I'd show you guys how I store and fold my jeans, and I want to show you guys the way I do it because honestly to me I think this is life-changing. It really helped me a lot. I am not the most organized person when it comes to putting away your clothes, folding and all that situation, but my jeans been doing this probably for maybe a year, over a year, and I've never stopped doing it. And my t-shirts, I don't want to say this, but my t-shirt drawer gets messed up and unorganized, but my jeans always stay the same, and it's really easy to just get which jeans I want to wear, or if I'm bloated or whatever you want to say, I know exactly where they at and how to get to them. So let me show you how I do this. So this is pretty much how I fold my jeans. Usually it's maybe like about 4 or 5 folds per jean, but it all depends like on the length of your jeans or how folded you guys want them. So here's another pair of jeans, and this one it took again like 4 folds, but again, like I said, it depends like on the length of your jeans. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's how they look all folded and they're ready to be stored and put in the drawer. So as you guys can see, this is pretty much what my jean drawer looks like. See, it's not that big, and I do fit quite a good amount of jeans. I'll count them and I'll put the amount of jeans that I fit in here, and there's like room for maybe another 2 more right there. But yeah, so I have them in order. These are pretty much all my ripped jeans. This and this, I do have a lot of ripped jeans, but from like this section back, they're high-waisted, and this right here are more like mid-size, like mid-fitting, not all the way high-waisted, not really low. And then I have black jeans over here, and these are just color, I guess, pants. And these are I only have 2 pair. I guess I only have 2 pair of non-ripped jeans. These are solid, no rips whatsoever. And right here I have 2 pairs of white leg, like boot cut jeans or flare. So yes, so as you can see, I fit a lot of jeans. Again, I'll count them and I'll put it on the screen to see how many pairs of jeans I fit in here. But this is the best way. Is like I know which ones this are, like say this ones, because I have them like in order by ripped, non-ripped, or high-waisted or not. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So that's it. That's how I keep my jean drawer organized. I do not have a lot of room, so I have to make every inch count, you know, all the real estate in my drawers count, and that's the best way that I find that I have enough room, and I keep track of the stuff that I wear and that I don't wear, especially when it comes to jeans. So I hope this technique or this trick helps some of you guys, and if you guys already keep your clothes organized in your closet looking neat, then props to you guys. I really need to learn how to do that, but as of right now, I'm still a little bit of a cochina. So yes, that's that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.